Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to take TikTok number, and all you have to do is to launch the TikTok application, and you're going to make sure you're on your profile. You're going to tap on the three lines and then tap on settings, set privacy. From there, you're going to tap on accounts. Then you're going to tap on account information. Now, for some of us, we do remember our phone number, but in the case that you do not remember your phone number and you would like to know your phone number, all you have to do is to go back and then you're going to download your data. From there, after you have requested for your data and it has been downloaded, you're going to go here to your files on your phone, and then you're going to make sure that you have unzipped that TikTok file that they have given it to you. Then from there, you're going to tap on your profile. So once you tap on the profile info text, you're going to be able to see the number that you had written on your profile in case that you forgot. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.